TRUG stock analysis Friday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm answering this in the short 1 minute video. So True Gold Holdings sitting at 49 cents, like 9% up for the day. I've not made a video in a True Gold in a while, but it's, I promise you it's still the same idea that I had. It was bearish, right? Before I get deeper in that context, I've done 32,000 videos and I've spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of correct predictions. The main reason why I just kind of had lines pointing towards the downside is that's still purely what I'm waiting for. Yes, it went up to almost $1. I mean, it was, high there was like 84 cents. So it's definitely far away from the $1 mark. But this red line that you see here is still going to hold strong. I'm still bearish. And unless the price starts breaking through some highs like crazy, then this is still going to be a bearish market for me, and I'll stick by it. Purely because I'm just following trends. Now, if you want to learn how to do that, click the first link in the description. There is a free daily newsletter.